How to change leverage on TradingView paper trading in this video. I'm going to show you how to change the leverage on your TradingView paper trading account so you can simulate trades more realistically. Whether you're trading stocks, forex, crypto, or futures, adjusting your leverage can help you practice under conditions that are closer to live trading. First, open TradingView and sign in to your account. Then, open any chart and connect to your paper trading account from the trading panel if you haven't already. Next, locate your paper trading account in the trading panel. Beside the account name, click the **settings* or gear ** icon. This opens your paper trading account settings. Inside the settings, you'll find leverage options for different asset classes. TradingView lets you configure leverage separately for categories such as stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, futures, and other supported markets. Simply choose the leverage ratio you want for each asset class and save your changes. If you don't see the leverage settings, click *reset account * from the account settings. During the reset process, TradingView allows you to configure your starting balance, account currency, and leverage before creating the new paper trading account. Keep in mind that resetting your account deletes all open positions, pending orders, and trading history, so only do this if you're comfortable starting fresh. Once your leverage is updated, every new paper trade will use the selected leverage automatically. When placing an order, you'll also see margin and leverage information in the order panel, making it easier to understand how much virtual capital is required for each trade. Here's a pro tip: set your paper trading leverage to match the leverage offered by your real broker. This gives you a much more realistic trading experience and helps you develop proper position sizing and risk management habits before trading with real money. And that's how you can change the leverage on your TradingView paper trading account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.